In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom reports in HubSpot so you can analyze your data and track the metrics that matter most. Start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard, then go to the reporting section and click on Reports. From there, click Create Report and choose Custom Report to begin building from scratch. Next, select your primary data source, such as contacts, deals, or companies, depending on what you want to analyze. You can also add additional data sources if you need more detailed insights across multiple areas. Once that's set, start building your report by dragging and dropping fields into the workspace. You can choose what data to display, organize it by categories, and adjust how values are calculated to match your goals. After that, apply filters to narrow down your data. For example, you can focus on a specific time period, deal stage, or contact segment to get more accurate insights. Then choose how you want to visualize your data by selecting a chart type like a bar chart or table. You can preview different options to see what works best. When everything looks good, click Save Report, give it a clear name, and decide whether to add it to a dashboard or keep it as a standalone report. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom report in HubSpot to better understand your data and make smarter decisions.